Hello friends, welcome to the class. And in this class we are going to learn about 6 methods that you can use to free up your hard disk space without deleting any important files. Friends, do you know that system drive, I'm talking about system drive, that is your C drive especially, has many system files and folders such as temporary files, app data, libraries, etc. that actually increases in size as you use your PC, and these files actually eat up your hard disk space. And I would be wrong if I say such files can eat up your hard disk space more than 60 to 70%. But if you want to have and free up hard disk space, you can move these files from C drive to any other drive that you may have in your PC to make more space in your system drive, because every new program that you install on your computer actually tries to land in the system drive, and if you don't have enough space there, that program won't work accurately. Even if your hard disk is going low in resources, the window will start flashing messages that you are low in hard disk space. So friends, I will show you about 6 methods that you can use to free up space, and I want to just give you an overview of those methods that will teach you how to do that. Number 1, we'll show you how to decrease or delete hyperfill sys file size. We'll also show you how to move pagefile.sys file to another drive to free up space from system drive. We also talk about compressing all the data using Windows inbuilt feature. Then we'll show how to decrease the C-cycle bin size. Also show you how to move users library. If you have many users on your PC, then you can move the user library files. And in last, we'll move temp and temp folders. As a bonus, I will also show you how to delete duplicate files using a free method, a free application available on the internet. You can download it, and I will show you that application as well. And I also show you how to delete unnecessary files that you may have on your PC but not using them. So friends, if you are serious about and wants to have some technical knowledge about freeing up hard disk space, then you must watch this class very carefully. But as a caution of word, I would always say that please make backup of your important files and documents before you even touch your system drive files. It's really very important. Please, I won't like to take any responsibility if anything goes wrong. Please watch and search internet how to take backup before you proceed with any of these steps that I want to show you in this class.